So we're in Fresno, California. We're just taking a look at a hot water line. This is a Nibco tubing, about 10 years old in our home. And we've got a fracture. Got the light on it, but it's kind of hard to see. But you can see that right across there. Those multiple sprays. Also, if I put my hand right here, you can see the water hitting it and dripping off. So it's a fracture right there. We're going to go ahead and get that repaired, turn the water back on, and hopefully that'll resolve your issues. So, still in Fresno, California. And what we did is we just cut the pipe back. The fracture was here right over the top of this vent line. And so we just cut the red pipe back. That's Nibco. Gave you a Sharp Bite 90 little extension piece. It's blue. Doesn't matter. Water doesn't know it's blue. So that's your hot water. Just a little piece tied back in. So just one coupling, 190 piece of pipe. And so it's nice and accessible. You can get to this from the garage hatch. You just come right up. And right behind the furnace you can find this pipe. So this is the first bathroom, sink being here, and then of course toilet, and then shower on the far end. So anyways, everything here looks good. Outside of that, this installation is done.